The mission of ShareSpace Education is to inspire students in science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics. What we try to accomplish with ShareSpace is to inspire students. And we see using space as a good way to do this. The big idea is to give teachers something really exciting they can work with, a resource for their classrooms that they can do something special with. Robotics and space are very closely related. We want to go to Mars. Everything that needs to be done will be done by robots. Right now, we have this opportunity with Boxlight and ShareSpace Education to do something really special. We have materials that we've created related to the moon and Mars, but we want to do more and go into more depth with robotics. We see coding, we see it being related to the content of learning about Mars, remote operations. We think we have an incredible opportunity to really dive in deeply and do something great for kids working with Boxlight.